welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. All things vegan and cruelty free. Mainly beauty. Finally got my FabFitFun Winter box. I think I picked this out almost a month ago, maybe. I did post spoilers, but I don't get this in PR. I'm an annual member, but I just literally got it like today, this afternoon. Today is November 24th. I wanted to show you what I got. So this is the inside of it, which is very pretty. And then I don't remember all my like customization numbers, but I got these jammies from Honeydew. Look at the colors, green jammies, and I'm gonna take pictures and stuff. They're panted bottom set. I'll put a picture, but yeah, I'm excited for those. And then got the Future Society Floating Forest fragrance. It's definitely a greener fragrance, and I'm trying to find my favorite fragrance. I'm on a hunt, but it's interesting. I like the packaging, it's cute, but I don't hate it. It's gonna grow on me, I think. It's green, grow. And it's interesting. Look at the lid. It's like kind of textured. I don't know if it's supposed to be like a flower or a big, here you go. But anyway, and it's supposed to, I think it's supposed to be like fragrant, like flowers that are extinct. I could be completely wrong. The one size, I've had a mini of this, but now I have a full size. It is big. The one size ultimate setting powder in the shade Ultra Peach. You could get a pink one or the, look at this massive powder, or the peach one. It is huge. How many ounces is this? 1.2, 34.6 grams. It's big. And then, so she said. So I'm excited to have that back in my life. I had the translucent one, but never, I don't have a lot of color powders. So I only have like one pink powder and everything else is translucent, which is my skin tone, or light because I'm pale. The House Labs PhD Hybrid Lip Glaze. I've only had her mascara before. Sample from Sephora, so I never had anything that's her actual packaging. You can see it's like textured, and that's from shipping. And I got the shade Guava. Doesn't smell like anything. Has like a frosted bottle, whatever this is, packaging. I don't like that it's mirrored though, because I can already see like fingerprints. Hello, there's my phone. Someone was calling me. But it's, let's see, I'm gonna try it on right now. Whoa, it did get a little runny. Ooh. There was two colors you could choose from. Not really sticky, more of like a lip oil, but I like the color. And it does not have a scent at all. It's nice, if that's what you like. My husband thought this was so silly that I like the color of it, but I like the color of the box. He's like, is that gonna look good in the recycling? But I picked these silver earrings, these crystal earrings from the brand Sunana, Jeweled by Sunana. It's kind of like a soft touch, I don't know, smooth, but yeah, I'm excited to try those. I like mixing silver and gold. And last but not least, before I get into my add-ons, I chose the by Rosie Jane Wake Body and Bath Oil. It was like a rest and a wake, and this is what I chose. Supposed to be, was it good for clarity, energy, focus, eucalyptus, grapefruit, and lemon. I smell it. Oh yeah, you can smell the eucalyptus. It smells nice, very fresh, not like artificial smelling. I don't know, it smells nice. I don't have a lot of experience with body oils, but this body and bath oil. Scented with 100% pure essential oils, massage onto skin from head to toe. Can be used on face. I probably wouldn't, because my face, my skin, like the face on my skin, the skin on my face is very sensitive, prone to eczema on my eyes and breakouts. So my face is not like fragrances. Add to bath water for a hydrating soak. Apply to scalp and hair lengths. Leave for 30 minutes or overnight before washing. Okay, so you put it on and then you rinse it. So I'm assuming, or you can put it in the bath. Okay. excited about that. Let me show you my add-ons. So I got the Lake and Sky Discovery set. Comes with the 1111, 1111 Azure, 1111 Vanilla, Midnight 07, Santal Gray, and Après. And I sprayed them all on myself. And so far, I like them all. Let me know what your favorites are. But I got this little set for, I think, $19 for the prices. And then this was like $5. I mean, it's super cheap. The Living Proof Frizz Smooth Styling Spray. Supposed to supposed to be good for, okay, so I'm just gonna read the packaging. Smooths and detangles for fine hair. I don't have fine hair. This feels like rubber. It's just like a squeegee tube. But my hair, I don't know. It's not like coarse, but I have a lot of hair, as you can see. And I am prone to frizz, as you can see. And I'm trying all the products. Let me know your recommendations. I've asked that a couple times. And no one comments. Comment. Lightweight styling spray that detangles and conditions, leaving hair smooth and shiny for fine hair. Provides heat protection up to 450 degrees. And then I got the Rose Ink, which I thought this brand was done, but then I saw they were bought out. I don't know. I got the eyelash curler for like 99 cents. And it comes with one of the, I don't know, things that change out. How often are you supposed to change these puppies out? But I don't know. Okay, fits the eye, I think. It feels nice. And then, I don't always curl my eyelashes, but I do notice a difference when I do. I got a travel size of the Lake and Sky 1111 Vanilla. I do like vanilla fragrances. I'm really liking this fragrance set I got from Kayali. Let me know any recommendations for a coffee, like latte, sandalwood, sweet vanilla fragrance. Because I'm into it. But yeah, got this. So that is what I got in FabFitFun. I don't know what took so long. Usually it takes like 2 weeks. I think it took like 4 weeks. So I don't know what that's all about. I don't know if, let me know if you are an annual member or you're a seasonal member, because FabFitFun just took a while. Okay. And part of being with the perk of being an annual member is you get to choose first. Other than that, there's not a lot of perks anymore because everyone has access. If you're a member, if you're a FabFitFun member, whether you're a seasonal member or an annual member, both tiers get to choose all the products from the customizations. Used to be that the annual members had first dibs, which they do, but they get to choose first. And it used to be like you could choose more items. Now you get to choose everything. Creators who got it in PR, they got it in like, I think mid-October. I finally got my box. I'm really happy. I'm excited to try out these products because I've been like, I almost forgot what I chose. Kind of did. Because I'm sorry, something that was 4 weeks ago, I can't remember every little detail of what I chose or what I didn't choose or all the options. If you want to see those videos, I have a playlist of my FabFitFun customizations as well as the spoilers. So let me know, are you a FabFitFun member? Do you like FabFitFun? Do you like watching subscription box unboxings and spoilers? What is your favorite food for Thanksgiving? Stay safe and healthy, and I hope you have a great Thanksgiving. If you're seeing this after Thanksgiving, I hope you had a great Thanksgiving if you celebrate. Like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video.